A new day, riding the bike. Will she survive another day?
She survived over 2,000 curves.
That's true.
She survives everything.
She's a warrior. Let's get moving. Look at this building. Watch out. So right behind these mountains is Myanmar. This is the Burmese border.
Later we drive straight to the cross.
We're gonna drive along the border. Crazy to think that like on the other side of these mountains it's just like fucking civil war. Because it's so peaceful on this side.
Maybe we will find a way to look to Myanmar and eat something.
Yeah, maybe we'll find a viewpoint and we can see into Myanmar. So our first official mechanic stop. And the reason is we're missing a bunch of screws down here. This whole thing is about to fly off. Olivia is back and healthy. And we even got a mirror.
This one is...
Kwa. Shavaka? We need the right, not the left. The left, you're just gonna see me. Yeah, that's not gonna help you much. Ah, nice. Hey, Mac. Đi Mac. Ok, cảm ơn cậu. Cậu trai. Ni là ni mà cả.
20 bạc.
20 bạc. 20.
Yeah, she said 2,000.
20.
20?
Maybe even more, no?
Yeah, wait! You... Thank you.
Thank you.
Come from Gap.
Bye.
You give me another 100?
Huh?
You give me 100?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice, okay.
I think it's enough.
Yeah. Bro, 20 baht, like, not even a euro for a mirror and like repair.
Yeah.
That's too cheap, man.
But 100 baht is also too cheap.
Yeah.
Like 3 euros.
Because when he was saying like easy, I thought in my head like, oh, like 1,000. No, I was like, I didn't register. I didn't register it because it was so low. I expected like hundreds.
Yeah.
I'm too used to being in Vietnam, man. Damn, 20 baht for a mirror and that's crazy, man. It's like overheating, big time.
I think so.
Oh, wow, hey! Come from Gap, check the Gap. Oh my God, these guys fixed the bike. Gang Mac.
Please, go.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay, come from Gap. Hey, we were stuck out here. We thought the bike was broken.
A few moments later.
Our bike is completely messed up. We just had to push it up a hill. These guys are still helping us.
And we go back.
And we're going back to the city to get the oil fixed.
Hopefully.
And hopefully, if nothing works, we're just gonna give these guys the bike and hitchhike to Bangkok. We already hitchhiked a bunch of times, so should be fine, but that's the last resort. Hey! Hey!
Up there? Okay.
Loading up. Oh, these guys saved our ass.
Yeah.
Oh my God. It's too much, so. My cup. Chai. For you guys.
When
You
you
can
want,
take.
you can
Free.
Yeah.
Chai. Rao buy kaparot. La present.
Okay.
For you guys.
Only need,
Kopron cup. Present for you.
only need my
Okay.
key.
Here's the key.
Okay.
นี่ทุกมากแล้วครับต่อไม่เป็นไร So from now we hitchhike to Bangkok, which will be 2-3 more days. Yeah, all for you. Helmet, Fanta, pillow, mama. See, it pays off to help people, you know, because now you get a free bike. It's tutmak, hokke pan. Look, we got 4 energy drinks for the bike. That's a good deal. Get this chair out. Hold this, let me try it out.
สวัสดีค่ะสาวๆยุมาสกิ้งนิดหน่อย
Hurry up! Hurry up!
ปีอังกฤษไม่ได้อะตกภาษา
English by night.
นิดหน่อยยุอย่าทำให้ผิดหวัง
It's good for like your training your abs.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Fix the bike.
Cheers. Okay, this guy, he drove us for about like 40 minutes to the bus station there. Next stop, we're going to Mae Sot, right? We can either go to Mae Sot, Chiang Mai or Bangkok. So Mae Sot and then maybe another stop. And then we hitchhike from there down to Bangkok. And we're there either tomorrow or the day after.
Yeah, hopefully
Hopefully,
there
yeah.
tomorrow.
It is, we got some breakfast.
Call me this
Not
breakfast.
the most... But look at this egg though, it looks like it's from a cartoon.
Fuck it, but this is like the first eating in the last
The
2 days.
first like meal that's not from like a 7-Eleven. I don't feel human anymore, man. After all this
feel
like 7-Eleven food.
Something left.
Yeah, something did leave.
Yeah.
The bike, yeah.
Olivia leave us. I don't want to eat because Olivia don't eat.
Yeah, I can't eat without her. Oh, we have to try. Made it onto the bus.
Yeah, that's
This is the bus.
the bus.
So next stop, Maesut.
My son.
We're gonna spend
1.5 days, something
1.5
like this.
day.
Oh yeah.
We gave up. Yeah, we're going to take the bus to Bangkok after that disaster. I guess these things didn't work, huh? This one, my amulet.
Yeah, we don't have a traffic accident, that's why.
Yeah, I mean we didn't get in an accident, so technically it worked. We should have had one for like the bike breaking down. We got some fruit.
So it's a little bit also of berry.
It's like a
What's
mango.
called? Huh? Mango?
It's not a mango, but it tastes like a mango.
No, Michael.
No, but
It's
it
not
tastes
mango.
like mango.
No.
Like the flavor. You don't think so?
No, it's more than in German it's called Marille. How it's called in English. Fucking confused.
Yeah.
Should I drive?
They just went fishing, yeah. They just,
Should I drive?
just gone fishing.
Bye.
we drove for 30 seconds and now we're stopping again.
Put some
For some
wine.
mysterious
I think it's
things.
rice or some weed.
I don't know what kind of bus we got ourselves into.
Bekaliang.
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 Bekaliang. Do your best. Oh, he's on the roof. Bro, he's actually on the roof. It's like Santa Claus.
What's happened? So only want my Olivia back.
Yeah.
It was so nice time before.
อย่าเอาพัดลมมานะ
Hello, Mala.
ร้องจริง
Ron, Chichi. What's Chichi?
Sniff stick.
Whoa, we're getting more food. Whoa, Ahan Mak. What is this?
ๆเอามานี่
A little bit sad to just sit here.
Yeah, but at the same time, like we're only taking the bus. We're only taking the bus somewhere. We didn't ask for this. Oh, be careful with the hole. Okay, in there. There we go. Be careful with the hole. Yep. Okay. We got peanuts. Gindai, Maka.
ให้กินได้
Gindai. We can eat it. Yes. We got some snacks. You can open your own supermarket.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Red Bull.
Red Bull.
Oh, what Red Bull?
Cherry Red Bull.
Vitamin C.
Oh, they got food. Wow. Pretty comfortable in the minibus.
Looking so tough. He looks at the scooter driver looks so tough.
Behind that mountain is Myanmar. Next up,
Yeah, Myanmar.
Myanmar.
I have found the route. It's wrong.
You found the illegal border crossing route.
Let's see.
We're gonna check out. What is happening?
yes money
Money.
If he said in Maesut.
I think like this one isn't free, it's just like together. Oh, Haroi.
yes
Okay, 500 for both.
Yeah.
The bad news are that we have no idea what's going on.
Yeah.
The good
Good
news,
news,
ice
we
cup.
have ice.
We got the ice cup. So we're chilling, and everybody's staring at us like we're aliens. Are you an alien?
Yeah, and you?
I think I'm an alien too, at least here. We're now in Karen land. And Ban Karen?
Karin yes
Karen house. Wow. And this is like the natural border, the natural wall.
It's not a border.
It's not a border?
Refugee camp.
No, I mean the mountains. It's almost like a wall. This is a refugee camp?
Yes.
Oh, for people from Myanmar. Oh.
Okay.
And where's the border? The border is behind this mountain? Okay, okay. He's being a wingman. He's being an amazing wingman. What's going on? I didn't even ask.
She starts.
Yeah, I guess. Okay, bye bye. Koppen Cup. What was Koppen Cup? Davlov. So we're here now. Now what? I guess we'll find somewhere to stay. Mayo Deng. Mayo Deng. Which is Chinese for no electricity, guys. Welcome to our hotel for tonight. We are in, what's the name of the city again for the 10th time? Mayotte. I was going to show you guys our beautiful hotel, but yeah, when I was about to do that, the power went out in the entire building. So you see here, no electricity. Yeah, give him some fire.
This too?
You want some? Taima? No?
In other directions in the world?
Hey! Woo! Why are you naked? Why is this guy naked? Now we can do a real room tour in natural room light. Bed. We got a chair that that folds. We got the remote control with the plastic on it still.
This is a combination of
Bro,
everything.
this is like peak China. This is the bathroom. Hole in the mosquito netting, amazing. We love that. We got a sink. We got the bum gun. Ooh. We got the toilet seat with the sticker still on it. Hair and body wash. Yeah. They took the time to put like 10 no smoking signs, as you can see. So yeah, we definitely don't want to smoke in here. Check out these leather pillows. Kinky.